We've got some Steiner res here we're going to test, and this is JD Cap 26 for just do the tips and repairs. And we got a show you a little minute. We've got nylon on this, okay, to cover it, to clear the particles out. So let's pour some of this into the cup and see how it looks. It looks like the nylon is clearing some of the junk out of it, but as you can see, if you look in the cup, there's little specks of junk in that. So that trick, using the nylon, I don't think is going to work too well. So that really has to be junked. So let's check the black is next. Get a new cup over here. I'll get a new cup. Actually, get two new cups and check that because we got two of them. Shake this up. This is the I'm not sure which color. This looks like the black, the Steiner res, and shake that up. So let's pour that in. Let's see. I'm looking at it, and no, there's still a lot of sediment in there coming through the nylon. So that one's no good either. So that one's got to be junked. Throw that one out. Right in the garbage. You don't want to see it in there. Can you see it? See it? All the particles. So obviously the third one that we did here, it's going to be junked too. Right in the garbage. We don't even waste a shot glass for that. So you got to be careful when you buy primers. They got to be fresh, and I don't know what company really to go to directly. You have to search the internet for that. But if I do find one, I'll put a link below in the description for fresh paints. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up and notification bell too.